Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Bulking Video.
In today's video, I will show you
How I built a powerful
51.2 volt lithium battery pack using BYD Blade cell, 3.2 volt 195 Ah lithium cell,
I will cover the complete process
including cell testing.
series connection, BMS wiring, final assembly, charging and load testing.
So let's get started. Subscribe to my channel and share your valuable feedback in the comments.
Your support and suggestion mean a lot
And help me create a better video. Thank you for watching, my dear viewers.
Packing BYD blade cell is quite challenging and requires extreme care. The cells are placed very close to each other, so even a small mistake can cause a short circuit or damage the battery. That's why every connection and every steps must be done very carefully and safely. My dear viewers, please subscribe our channel and support me. Your support will help me create more helpful and informative video in the future. Thank you for your love and support, viewers. The battery pack is now 70% complete. Viewers, the battery pack is successfully installed inside the battery box. Now we are ready for the final wiring and testing to provide proper insulation and support. ABI sticker and epoxy sheets are being used around the nut and bolts areas. This helps keep the battery packs secure and prevent accidental short circuit. Viewers, for this battery pack, we are using a JK Smart BMS 100 by 200 Ah with a 1 ampere active balancer. This BMS provide reliable battery protection, cell balancing and monitoring for safe, efficient operation. The battery pack is 100% ready. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.